Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video we have learned some of the methods of the set. Now in this video we will cover another methods which are useful in the set. So in the previous video we have seen about the update method. So what was update method doing? Whatever set you have provided here, it will append this set to this existing set. So it means that table 4 set will have all the data of table 8 as well as table 4. But what if I want to, let me show you first this print table 4. So see, now in table 4 we have both the datas of table 4 like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 as well as of table 8. So 8 and 16 which are duplicates, so they are printed only a single time, and we have also 24 and 32. So it means that table 4 is updated with the values of table 8. But what if I want a new set, let's say common values, or we can say, let's say my set, it is the name of the variable, and in this set I want the values of table 4 as well as table 8. So how I can do this? So there is one method called union. So you need to provide your name of one variable table 4 dot. So this is the union method, union, and here you need to pass the another variable name that you want to add, now table 8. And if I try to print my set now, see, now my set I am able to get all the values of table 4 and table 8 in my set. So in this way you can make use of this union method. Also the another method we can check is, let's say now you want another variable. Let me remove this. Let's say you have another set which is my set here, and you want only the common values that are present in these two sets, like the values which are present in this table 4 variable as well as in table 8 variable. So that values we want in my set. So how you can do this? So you need to provide the name of variable first, let's say table 4 dot. So here you need to say intersection, and you need to provide the name of another set, so table 8. And if you try to print my set, so it should contain only the common values. So the common values are 8 and 16. So 8 and 16 are present in both these sets. So see, we are getting only two values which are 8 and 16 with the help of this intersection method. What if I don't want this another variable, I want in table 4 only, table 4 dot, there is another method intersection update which will work similar like intersection, but intersection we use when we are using some extra set, like we were using my set in that case. Now what we want in table 4 dot intersection update, we will provide here table 8, and if we try to print table 4 now, so table 4 will only contain the two values. See, now table 4 is containing only two values with the help of intersection update. So it is updating like only the intersection values are getting stored in table 4. What if I switch the values, like if I say table 8 now here and table 4, so it will update the table 8. Now table 8 will have only two values, 8 and 16. So see, okay, we have printed here table 4, so table 4 has all the values. If I try to print table 8 now, it will have two values, 8 and 16. So in this way you can make use of intersection and intersection update. Another method we can see here, let's say I want to have another variable of type set, my set, and what you want now, you don't want the common values now, you want all other values excluding the common values. So how you can perform this? In a similar way, you need to provide the name of variable, then the function name here is symmetric difference. So symmetric difference and the name of another set, table 8. And if you try to print my set now. So what it will print? So table 4 dot symmetric difference table 8. So it will print all those values which are not common in two sets. Let me run this. See, excluding 8 and 16, all values are getting printed here because 8 and 16 is present in both these sets, so that are excluded and all other values are assigned to my set. So symmetric difference you can make use when you have third variable or the third set. What if you want to update in existing set only? So you can directly say table 4 dot symmetric difference update, table 4 dot symmetric difference update, and then you can print your table 8, and we will print your table 4 and table 8. Print table 8. So we have updated table 4 now. So table 4 will be updated with the values symmetric difference update. So it will contain the values which are not common in two sets. Let me run this. So see, table 4 is containing all the values, but it is excluding the values 8 and 16 because they are common in both the sets, and table 8 is similar to what we have provided, 8, 16, 24, 32. Now if I try to switch the values here, let's say I want here table 8, and here I will update it with table 4, and if I try to print table 4 and table 8 now, so table 4 will have all the values which we have provided, and table 8 will have all the values of both these variables excluding the common values. Let me run this. So see, table 4 is having all those values that we have provided, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and table 8 is containing values of both the variables but excluding the common values which are 8 and 16. So in this way you can make use of this method as per your requirement. So that's it for this video, and that was all about the sets. In the next video we will cover another topics. Thank you for watching.